Because, I mean, the objective's over here. I kind of want to slide around, but... Yeah.
We're just going to follow Dark Rose to the end of the map.
Gotcha. You got point. Just stick with that. Where's that left? Friendly in here. Yep. Friendly's coming back. Friendly.
Just a different angle real quick.
Gotcha. Hang on. He's about to come in.
Why don't you hold your hand up?
Just watch that corner. We got somebody in here. You got an angle? Hang on. He's down, I think. I don't know who's got the flashlight. You nail him?
Did you nail one?
This far corner is clear on the far right. Oh, got him. Wait, what? Okay, I think I got him now. Sorry. You really just had to defend this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Copy. Thanks.
12's clear for now.
I'll watch your angle right here. I just need to hold this.
Yeah.
Tight.
Does anyone have eyes on the green window?
Yes.
Okay, good. Do we want to try and break out and cut left?
I'm gonna go back to like 6.
I mean, like popping out through here, but
Yeah.
it's pretty exposed.
It is exposed. I'm not going to these areas like that.
Yeah, I got that whole back hallway. Oh. Got him.
We got red on the left, red on the left. Red on the left, got it.
Gotcha.
You want to move or you want to stay here?
It's up to you. I mean, we can. I'm still learning the field.
Yeah, I mean, I like the spot. You got a big hole back here. Doing good. We'll set your aim window right here.
have the bomb.
Yeah. Should be in this room, whatever here, I think.
Yeah. But I mean, we've literally got this shit locked down.
I'll say, yeah.
You want to say fuck it? I think you have the bomb. I just don't know what's on my left.
Just the empty wall.
Oh, really?
There's a hallway behind you that way. They can come this way, and there's also a green wall right here.
Gotcha.
Two doorways. See the green wall?
Yeah. Oh. Fuck it.
They can come this way,
Yeah.
or this way.
Let's push.
Still there, guys? Yeah, get on us real quick.
Get on me. Get on me.
Yeah, on this side.
Yeah. So, you push the green. Matthias and I, we'll go in that far right.
Yeah, I'll roll out this way. We're going right.
Gotcha.
Ready?
Yeah.
On me.
Let's go.
Yep, ready?
You didn't hit me. That was really shitty.
Move in this room right here. I'm not going to get on the end of it.
Yeah. You want to press? Find that corner. Check it. Nope, get behind me. Fuck. There's a guy right there, he just passed you. Good shot. I'll be back.
Did you all get each other?
Yeah, we traded. It was clean.
I got him last time.
He's good. He's got that pistol. Good coming through. Where'd that go? Brennan. friendly. I can hear something in there. Zach, I'm moving in through here. Careful. Their spawn is right here. Yeah. Good, good. Oh shit, that's too close. Let's pull back.
Okay, so
Hey, we'll pull back. Give,
Hey,
yep.
we're gonna walk back this way for you. Alright, you
Alright.
okay?
Give us 10 seconds.
You're good.
We love you.
You're good.
Alright, let's go, Zach. Let's go. Fuck. Fuck it, let's go.
I'll take it.
Gotcha. Alright. That's our fault. Watch it. Got him. Oh, this is a nasty corner. Oh my god, there's so many. Hey, watch that side. Oh! Woo! I think I hit
If
him.
you're within 10 feet of that grenade, you are dead.
Fuck, there's a doorway there.
If you're within 10 feet of that grenade, you are dead.
That was still pretty good.
Dude, I know, yeah, for sure. Dead man coming through.
I think I hit that guy. I don't think he called it.
Blatantly, you know, but-
Well, he's wearing those like heavy ACUs, and this is a 1 joule field, so
Yeah.
it's not a big deal. He called it the other time, so I'm not gonna worry about it. I'm gonna hope that was recording. Huh?
Good little run, though.
Oh yeah.
We actually got too far.
Like I didn't realize our guys were like so like deep in that fucking objective. Oh dude, let's press left. Yeah. Yeah. Let's just go fucking Whopper. Yeah. Thighs. Damn. There's nobody over here. Yeah, dude, you were holding it down over here. There's no one here.
Got a couple.
You killed them all. Dude, after you moved over here, we were stuck over there. Dude, it was nasty.
Old boy with the HPA Tokyo Marui. Dude, that you were talking to earlier. I got him right, dude. He come around the corner. I saw
With
his
that
hand.
pistol?
I got him right. Dude, he stuck his hand out. I shot it right.
Yeah.
He shooting tracers, and I saw that thing go right.
Yeah, it was weird. Like,
They gave me like mixed signals.
yeah. Next game, if we're over here, I want us to push that side
Right.
because there's so many open spots. You
Yeah.
just nail them wherever.